Hello, I'm Charlie Riggins with Pye-Barker, and if you've spent any time inside a food or beverage processing plant, you already know one thing. Small sanitation and equipment issues can create very large problems. A cleaning cycle that runs too long can waste water, chemicals, energy, and production time. An aging pump or valve can create hidden areas where bacteria and allergens collect. And equipment that is difficult to clean or maintain can increase both contamination risks and operating costs. Today, we'll look at 3 developments shaping food and beverage processing: the move toward intelligent clean-in-place systems, how smarter fluid management can reduce contamination risks in older facilities, and how hygienic pump designs can improve food safety while lowering maintenance costs. Let's get started. Sanitation has always been the quiet hero inside food and beverage plants. It protects product quality, keeps allergens and bacteria under control, and helps keep production compliant. But clean-in-place systems, or CIP, are entering a new era. For years, CIP systems cleaned tanks, pipes, and processing lines without taking equipment apart. That was a major leap forward. Then automation brought repeatable cleaning cycles through PLCs and control systems. But here's the problem. Many of those systems still rely on fixed recipes and timers. That can mean overcleaning, undercleaning, wasted water, wasted chemicals, and longer downtime. Now, intelligent CIP is changing the playbook. This new generation uses sensors, digital monitoring, real-time data, and artificial intelligence to understand what's happening inside the cleaning process as it happens. Instead of cleaning by assumption, plants can clean based on actual conditions. That means faster cycles, safer sanitation, less waste, and better use of water, chemicals, energy, and production time. For food and beverage processors, the message is clear. CIP is no longer just a cleaning routine. It is becoming a smart performance tool. From CIP 1.0 to CIP 4.0, plant cleaning is moving from scheduled automation to adaptive intelligence. But even the smartest cleaning system can only do so much if the equipment being cleaned has hidden areas where product, bacteria, or allergens can collect. That brings us to our next story: how aging pumps, valves, and piping can create contamination risks, and how plants can address those risks without rebuilding the entire facility. Food safety is a constant challenge for manufacturers, especially in older processing facilities. And according to a recent report from Processing Magazine, some of the biggest contamination risks may be hiding inside aging fluid handling systems. Many food plants still operate with legacy pumps, valves, and piping that were installed decades ago. While these systems may still be running, they can create hidden areas where bacteria, allergens, and product residue accumulate, increasing the risk of contamination. Now, manufacturers are turning to smarter fluid management to address the problem. Modern fluid handling systems use improved sanitary designs along with sensors and real-time monitoring to provide better visibility into plant operations. Instead of waiting for equipment failures or contamination events, operators can identify potential issues early and take corrective action before they impact production. The benefits go beyond food safety. Smarter fluid management can reduce downtime, improve cleaning effectiveness, support regulatory compliance, and help facilities operate more efficiently without requiring a complete plant rebuild. For many processors, that's an important advantage. Modernizing an entire facility can be costly and disruptive, but targeted upgrades to critical fluid systems can deliver significant improvements in both safety and performance. Preventing contamination isn't always about building a new plant. Sometimes it's about making smarter use of the equipment and technology already in place. Once a processor identifies where contamination risks may be hiding, the next question is straightforward. What equipment changes can reduce those risks while also making the maintenance team's job easier? Our final story looks at a food manufacturer that upgraded a critical pumping application and discovered that better hygienic design could improve both food safety and equipment reliability. Food processors are constantly balancing 2 priorities: maintaining the highest food safety standards while keeping maintenance costs under control. According to a recent case study featured in Processing Magazine, one food manufacturer found a way to achieve both. The challenge involved a critical pumping application where traditional equipment required frequent maintenance and created concerns about long-term reliability. In food processing, even a minor equipment issue can lead to costly downtime, production disruptions, or potential food safety risks. To address the problem, the company upgraded to a more hygienic pump design specifically engineered for sanitary applications. The new system was designed to eliminate areas where product residue could accumulate, making cleaning more effective and reducing the risk of contamination. At the same time, the pump's simplified design reduced wear on critical components and made maintenance easier for plant personnel. The results were significant. The processor reported lower maintenance requirements, fewer service interventions, and improved operational reliability. Cleaning procedures became more efficient, helping the facility maintain strict food safety standards while reducing the time and resources spent on maintenance activities. The case study highlights a broader trend across the food and beverage industry. Manufacturers are increasingly looking beyond initial equipment costs and focusing on total lifecycle performance. Equipment that is easier to clean, easier to maintain, and more reliable can often deliver substantial savings over time while supporting regulatory compliance and product quality. For food processors facing pressure to improve efficiency without compromising safety, the lesson is straightforward. Investing in smarter sanitary equipment can help reduce maintenance costs while strengthening food safety performance at the same time. Food safety and operational efficiency don't have to compete with each other. With the right equipment design, they can work hand in hand. Across all three stories, the message is similar. Better information, smarter fluid management, and more hygienic equipment designs are helping food and beverage processors improve sanitation without sacrificing productivity. Whether the improvement comes from a more intelligent CIP cycle, better monitoring of an aging system, or a pump that is easier to clean and maintain, the goal is the same: reduce risk, control costs, and keep production moving. I'm Charlie Riggins with Pye-Barker, and thanks for spending a few minutes with me. For more industrial news, practical insights, and support for pumps, compressors, blowers, and vacuum systems across Georgia and Florida, visit pyebarker.com. Until next time, stay safe, stay productive, and keep those systems running.